Hey friend, come on in for another episode of Room by Room Maximalist Apartment Decor, where you'll see the design process of a contemporary bedroom. In the previous episode, we designed this living room, so if you haven't, I suggest watching this video to see the concept for this apartment that we're continuing into this bedroom. So let's get into it. This bedroom is about 12 feet by 13 feet. It has a large window, sliding glass door here, and 2 blank walls to work with. I want this bedroom to feel like a retreat, but also have a lot of character and drama. First step, floor planning. This room's window and closet are on adjacent walls, so I want to place a queen size bed on the blank wall facing the closet, maximizing walking space, nightstand on each side, a rug underneath the bed to anchor the space. For seating, the corner between the closet and the window is perfect. Now this layout is based on my design suggestion of not placing TVs in bedrooms of homes this size. However, if a TV was requested in this room, I'd place the bed under the window and the TV on the wall across from it. Now that we've got a floor plan, we can start building the essentials and get some color and pattern on the walls. Alright, I placed a wood framed queen size bed. We're layering it with the contemporary green rug. It'll brighten the entire room. Floating mirrored nightstands. I brought in the same blue texture wallpaper used in the living room and added it to the bed wall and the ceiling. This technique will make the room feel longer and the ceiling feel a bit lower. Instead of a chair, I opted for these low drawers lined under the window for extra storage, creating more counter space for decor and a larger sitting area. Now it's time to add all the little decor pieces that'll really give this bedroom character with some detailing. Alright, so after several hours of detailing, we have a completed bedroom design. Now the only thing left to do is an apartment tour. Under the window, 2 wooden drawer units create counter space and a sitting area next to the closet, adding tons of functionality to this bedroom. There are several plants, a rice paper lamp, and books. I imagine you could sit here to get dressed or read next to the open window. I used the single seat cushions available in this program, but I imagine finding one long cushion to complete this look. A few throw pillows on the bench add more patterns and color to the space. Above the seat was the perfect spot for a large frame piece of artwork. The curtains frame the window and add drama to this bench. The curtains also add back the feeling of height, lowered by the effect of the wallpaper ceiling. Onto the bed, the wood framed bed pairs with a bench and is anchored by a green rug, creating a focal point to the space. Mirror floating nightstands keep the floor space clear while adding visual interest and giving a place to set books, candles, and phone chargers. I used yellow for the lighting fixtures in this bedroom. The lamps on the nightstand and the pendant lights over the bed are all yellow. More curtains on the closet door. This may seem odd to some, but some apartments have mirrored closet doors. Since the bed is facing the mirror, I'd place more curtains here for the option to cover the mirrors if preferred. It's also another way to add more decor, drama, and the feeling of height. And finally, the wall art. 2 large pieces on this wall, bringing more warm colors to the space. A gallery wall over the bed. These are posters and art available in floor planner that went with the color palette, but I imagine having more personal pieces to whoever is living here. So that is our finished bedroom. Look at how comfortable it feels. We designed it to be cohesive with the living room, slightly toning down the mix of patterns and materials for better sleep, layering in lighting, overhead, accent, and ambient. We've made it a retreat that has personality and a little drama. So that is it for episode 2 of Room by Room Maximalist Apartment Decor. If you found this video interesting, give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comments. In the next episode, we're heading into the kitchen where we talk about mix and matching seating, small spaces for hosting, and creating a mood for meals. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss that update. If that update is out already, you'll be able to click here and watch it now. If not, you'll be able to watch me decorate my apartment in the meantime. I hope this helps with some ideas for your space, and I'll see you in the next episode.